In Guatemala, the Supreme Electoral Court confirmed Tuesday to be under investigation by the Public Prosecutor's Office. At least 13 criminal cases have been filed against the Supreme Court or Electoral Court, as certified by its president, Irma Palencia. In an official statement read to the media, Palencia said to ignore the reasons behind such an inquiry by the General Attorney, but that most of the charges relate to complaints they have already tended to. Palencia said the High Electoral Court does not intend to interfere with the proposed schedule for the elections, and that her office and the fully support to a successful electoral process.
The documents that the Public Prosecutor Office is sending to the Supreme Electoral Court requesting information, logically, are part, perhaps, of an inquiry, which we wish were not happening. But I believe we have provided them with answers, that they have been given all the information they have requested, and I believe that we will continue to do so within the framework of our jurisdictions, and that we will continue to do so despite there are being things we don't agree with.
And the Secretary General of the Organization of American States, Luis Almagro, arrived in Guatemala to assess firsthand the situation in the country amid the electoral process. The Guatemala Ministry of Foreign Affairs said Almagro will remain in the country until Friday, August the 4th, responding to an invitation made by the President Alejandro Giammattei last July the 26th. According to the Foreign Ministry, Almagro's visit will contribute to strengthening democratic institutions in the country amid the electoral process. Almagro is scheduled to meet with the Guatemalan president and with magistrates of the Supreme Electoral Court and with magistrates of the Constitutional Court, as well as with representatives of civil society organizations, of the private sector, and with the presidential candidates still in the race.